entrada. Ayan po, nakikita natin dito tayo sa ating bar area. Makikita nyo. Ako natin ipapakita ang ating main switch. Dito po tayo nag on and off. Pinaka-importante. Unang parts. Next part natin is pressure gauge, steam boiler. Ayan po siya. Makikita nyo. Okay. Next is pressure gauge, is coffee boiler. 9 bars. Sunod nating part is brew groups. Kung saan nabubrew yung ating espresso. 2 group. Okay. Next, cup warmer button. Dito po siya. Kung meron tayong cup warmer button, meron tayong tea warmer button. Ayan. Makikita nyo. Try natin. Ayan. Lumalabas po dyan yung tubig. Okay? Kung meron tayong display, digital display, nakikita natin kung ilang temperature ng ating espresso, nakikita natin kung ilang seconds ng ating espresso, at nakikita din natin kung ilang ml ang ibinibigay ng ating espresso machine. Okay? Next is the steam wand. As you can see, we have 2 steam wand, of course, left and right. Pag tayo may mga 2 orders or big order, you will use it together. Okay? Kung meron tayong steam wand, meron tayong, of course, the steam wand lever. Ayan. Very important. Kailangan natin mag-steam lagi before and after using. Okay? As meron din tayong hot water wand. Okay, ito po yun. In Italian, ispigot. Aywa. And then, after that, we have the removable drain tray. Ayan. Dito, napupunta yung mga dirt, yung mga tubig, ayan. Pag madumi na, kailangan nating linisin. Okay? And group number 1, programming keypad. Okay, ito yun, pinaka-importante. In the left side of Ater La Marzocco, dito tayo nagka-calibrate ng ating espresso kung gusto nating mataas ang temperature, yung ating ml, yung ating kung ilang seconds. Andyan po, napakaganda, napaka-importante po yan. At last, we have the hot water mix valve. Okay, ito po yun. So, as you can see, yan. Ito, pwede tayong mag very hot water or warm water. Ayan, napaka-nice po ng ating La Marzocco Estrada. Kaya bilhin natin. Thank you guys.